There in Moran right now, talk a little bit about the weather out there. We've been talking about allergies all day today. Hopefully you got some rain to wash some of that stuff away.
I mean, it's just so breezy out right now. Yeah. It's that south wind, so the allergens have definitely been on everyone's mind. Some rain to help at least a few of us as we go through the next couple of hours. We've been watching these storms developing along a dry line out to the west. And when we kind of take a look at radar, so this is that line that you were seeing, but we've got a few storms kind of popping up ahead of this. So Jacksboro going to see some stormy weather here, and then Bowie will have you kind of keeping an eye on these storms out to the west as well. Nothing is severe, and these storms aren't particularly strong. These ones a little farther out to the west, closer to Throckmorton, packing a little bit more of a punch as far as gusty winds and some brief heavy rain. And those are going to be tracking east, so we kind of watch these storms moving east. Best chances are going to be north of I-20 tonight, but we watch even as we get towards 8:30, 9 o'clock, kind of right along the Red River for these scattered showers and storms. Once we get into that 11 p.m., 12 a.m. time frame, you see the rain is really kind of fizzled out. Tomorrow morning, though, we do still have the chance for some showers and even a few storms. I think that 6 to 7 a.m. time frame, mainly to the east of I-35, we see a little bit of rain, and then as we get closer to 9 a.m., maybe an isolated storm a little bit closer to Henderson and Anderson counties. But most of this is pushing into East Texas as we get towards midday, and we'll get a little bit of a break from not just the rain, but maybe a little bit of cloud clearing out to the west as well. So rain chances at 40% for tomorrow. Temperatures, though, going to soar 88 degrees with these south winds at 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting even higher than that. Thursday, it's still breezy. We've got isolated storm chances during the day, slightly higher chances into the evening. Similar story for Friday, and both days featuring those highs in the mid and upper 80s. But it's the weekend where we're expecting the highest coverage of rain and storms. I think Saturday you're going to be okay. Sunday, though, here's Sunday morning. Cold front is still out to the west, but we've got rain and storms ahead of this front. And there's not only the possibility of some heavy rain, but the possibility of a few stronger storms as well. So we have to watch the system closely as we approach the weekend. But with a slow-moving cold front, certainly some heavy rain possible. We're going to have a lot of moisture in place, so there's going to be a lot of energy for these storms to work off of. One good thing to note, though, as we've gone through the day, the models are starting to push the timing of this front a little faster through. So once we get to 5 a.m. on Monday, you notice that most of this rain is already pushing off to the east. We're still left with some of that lingering cloud cover to the east of I-35, but it does look like Monday should be a better day. And while we don't want too much rain over a short period of time, we do need the rain, and the model's suggesting maybe a ½ to an 1.5 inches of rainfall accumulating across North Texas. So tonight we're just dealing with temperatures in the mid and upper 60s. Tomorrow we've got showers and storms in the morning. We should be drying out in the afternoon, and then we just wait for the higher rain chances as we get into Sunday and Monday coverage, especially Sunday night at 90%, guys.
Erin, thank you very much. High food prices are likely going to get even higher.
We'll explain the reason.